Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change bestseller on Wix. So let's go to the Wix dashboard first. Then you'll find here catalog on left hand side. Hover up your mouse on catalog and you'll find here store product. Hover up your mouse on store product, then you'll find here products. This one product. Click on products. Now you can see all of your products here. If you want to click that product you want to make bestseller, I'm clicking this one, graphic print tee. Then you have to scroll down and you'll find here ribbon. Here you can write bestseller. Okay, after that you have to click on save. After that your bestseller has been changed. So this is how you can change bestseller in Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.